Welcome to Gear World. Today we're going to look at a Black Clawson Gearbox repair. Whenever a gearbox comes into our shop, we perform a complete NDT inspection to ascertain the exact problem of your gearbox. We can fabricate all inner working parts of a gearbox, including shafts, pinions, gears, and bearings. We can bring all parts back to the original Rockwell and Brunel hardness according to OEM specs and your gearbox's specific design. Our two convenient locations allow us to get to your machine faster, reducing your downtime. If your gearbox is problematic, don't hesitate to give us a call. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. And thank you for watching.